Ọbara Nsọ. The blood that speaks mercy, the blood that washes away sin, the blood that conquered death, the blood of Jesus. On a lonely hill called Calvary, love stretched out its hands. The spotless lamb was lifted high to fulfill the Father's plan. Every stripe upon your body, every nail that pierced your hands, spoke a language of redemption the world could never understand. You carried all my burdens, you bore my guilt and shame. Through the sacrifice you offered, my life would never be the same.
There is power in the blood.
There is healing in the blood.
There is freedom in the blood.
There is life in the blood.
There is power in the blood.
There is healing in the blood.
There is freedom in the blood.
There is life in the blood. Oh, Ọbara Nsọ.
Ọbara Nsọ.
Mere ka m bụrụ onye ọhụrụ, yeah.
Ọbara Nsọ.
Your blood redeemed me. Your blood restored me.
Ọbara Nsọ.
Your blood gave me victory. Oh,
Ọbara Nsọ.
forever I am free. When the enemy accused me, your blood spoke louder still. When justice demanded payment, your mercy fulfilled the will. No chain could hold me captive, no curse could rule my life. The blood that flowed on Calvary brought me into glorious light. Your sacrifice was perfect, your love forever true. Now every breath within me will always worship you. Ọbara Nsọ,
My refuge and my peace.
my refuge and my peace.
My victory complete.
Your blood still heals,
Your blood still saves.
your blood remains
Forever the same.
the hope of all mankind. Ọbara Nsọ,
Ọbara Nsọ.
oh, Ọbara Nsọ.
Ọbara
of the spotless Lamb.
Today I stand forgiven.
Today I stand redeemed.
Today I stand victorious.
Because of the blood.
Ọbara Nsọ,
My everlasting song.
my strength when I am weak.
You purchased my freedom.
You gave me new life.
You called me your own and filled my heart with hope. Every nation shall proclaim, every generation shall sing that salvation belongs to the Lamb who was slain.
Ọbara Nsọ,
Forever I will testify.
Ọbara Nsọ,
Forever I will worship. When my race on earth is over, and I stand before your glorious throne, I will lift my hands, not because of what I have won, but because of what your precious blood has done for me. My song throughout eternity will never change, it will always be the blood that saved me,
the blood that redeemed me.
the blood that never loses its power.
Forever,
Forever,
the blood that saved me. The blood that redeemed me.
the blood that never loses its power.
Forever. Ọbara Nsọ,
The blood that speaks mercy, the blood that washes away sin, the blood that conquered death, the blood of Jesus on a lonely hill called Calvary. Love stretched out its hands. The spotless Lamb was lifted high to fulfill